Hi everyone, I'm Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Friends, most people wait for motivation, but you are not most people. You choose to rise high. You choose to yourself. Listen, if life is pushing you down, remember this. Diamonds are made under pressure. દબાણથી તૂટાય નહીં, દબાણથી મજબૂત બનાવે. Let's understand with some pillars. Number 1, self-discipline over motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. જો તમે સતત કામ કરશો તો જીવનમાં આગળ વધશો. Next, upgrade your mindset. Your life changes the moment your mindset. Changes એટલે બદલાવ અને mindset એટલે બદલાતું future. Now last and most important, remove negative circle. Your environment shapes your destiny. તમારું સર્કલ જ તમારું ફ્યુચર બનાવે છે. Friends, one day your future self will thank you for not giving up today. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. જો આજથી જ મહેનત કરશો તો આવતીકાલ તમારો ગર્વ બનશે. So guys, remember, you are stronger than you think. So keep learning, keep growing. Your journey start now. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for more English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.